Your brain is running on a script you didn't write. It's why you're eating when you aren't hungry. It's why you're scrolling when you're exhausted. It's why your phone is in your hand before you even realized you picked it up. You think you need more willpower to fix this? You are wrong. You don't need a stronger will, you need a better system. Most people think disciplined people have insane willpower. Not really. They just don't put themselves in situations where they need willpower all the time. They don't rely on willpower at midnight or when cravings hit. They build systems. Let me show you 5 simple ones you can actually use. First, friction. Make bad habits annoying. Make good habits easy. If you keep overeating, don't leave snacks on your desk or in front of you. Put them far away or don't buy them. If you keep scrolling at night, don't keep your phone next to your bed. If you want to work or study, open your laptop, keep everything ready. Small setup, huge difference. Second, have a plan before the moment hits, because when you're tired at night or craving snacks, your brain negotiates. So decide in advance. If I feel like late night scrolling, then I'll put my phone away and lie down. If I feel like random snacking, then I'll drink water and wait 10 minutes. If I don't feel like starting work, then I'll just do 5 minutes. No thinking, just follow the script. Third, make things easier to enjoy. Pair what you want with what you should. Only watch your favorite show while eating a proper meal, not while mindlessly snacking. Only listen to your favorite music while working or cleaning. Now your habits feel less like effort and more like reward. Fourth, ride the urge. When you feel like grabbing snacks or checking your phone or staying up late, don't fight it. Pause. Watch it. It rises, peaks, and fades. That craving to scroll at night, it passes. That urge to snack, it passes too. You don't have to act on every feeling. Finally, your energy controls everything. When you're tired, you scroll more. When you're hungry, you overeat. When you're low energy, you avoid work. So sleep properly, eat regularly. Sometimes it's not a discipline problem, it's an energy problem. So stop trying to be stronger. Instead, make scrolling harder, make overeating harder, make sleeping easier, make better choices easier, and bad ones harder. That's real self-control.